it's Lana here, and today I've got something kind of weird and exciting and like new to show you guys, because as you know, I've been like dabbling in a bit of rice water lately. I heard you guys maybe you're a little bit bored of hearing about rice water. Like, I'm sorry, but I really like rice water. This company called the Royal Herbal Organics saw that I was really into rice water, so they said, can they send me their fermented rice herbal shampoo? So I was like, well, yes, because I love rice water. So I decided to review it for you guys and tell you what I think about it. So thumbs up the video if you like it. Also, don't forget to become a Sunbeam, join my summer squad by subscribing. Also, turn on your notifications so you don't miss my uploads, and let's get into the video. This is a fermented rice herbal shampoo and a fermented rice hydrate conditioner. So the conditioner does say that you can use it as a co-wash, and obviously these are packed full of all the benefits of rice water. I'm not exactly sure how they've managed to make this so that it doesn't go like really stinky or off, because the ingredients in the shampoo is literally just fermented brown rice water, alma, aloe, peppermint, neem, rosemary, aloe vera, and germol plus. So it's got no foam, no suds. That's absolutely fine with me, and this is what it looks like. It's this browny color. It's quite like slippy, slidey, and it does not smell. It has got absolutely no bad smell. It smells like peppermint. It's really good. It's really tingly on the scalp. It literally smells like candy canes at Christmas time. Like, how did they make rice water smell like candy canes? I don't know. It's wizardry. It's amazing. And the same for the conditioner. Like, the conditioner has like a slightly different one. Like, this smells like candy canes, and this one smells like butter mints. Like, this is really has a nice smell. Ooh, got it on my nose. I don't mind, it smells good. And I reviewed them for you guys. So when I decided to try this out for you guys, I thought it was just going to be like a regular-ish kind of shampoo, but it wasn't. I had to apply this to dry hair, so I quickly had to like step back from the shower, and my hair luckily was not too wet. So I went ahead and I applied the shampoo. You know how traditional shampoos are kind of gloopy? Like, this is not gloopy, it's really drippy. You just need to be careful so that it doesn't all fall out, so you don't pour too much onto your hand, you know? So then I went ahead and I applied this directly to my scalp. It does say that there are no suds, no bubbles, no nothing. So it's not like this product is going to expand in any way. You just really need to kind of work it around your head. So I felt like I used quite a lot of product just so that I could actually get this all over my head. And because there's no suds or anything like that, I decided to actually apply this all through the rest of my hair as well. I thought, well, what could be wrong with that? Because the only reason that I don't usually apply my shampoos to the rest of my head is because they can be kind of drying, and I thought rice water shampoo is not going to be drying on my hair, so I went ahead and applied this all through the lengths. Now, it does also say that you can detangle with this, so I tried to give it a go. I don't usually detangle with a shampoo, you know, because shampoos don't usually make it very easy for you to detangle. They actually make it harder most of the time. But this made it really easy for me to detangle. So I did that, and then I thought, what should I do next? Should I rinse it off? Been a minute. Now, I read the label again. It comes with like a little slip with the directions on. It says leave this on for half an hour. So I was like, right. So leave it on for half an hour with a cap on, just to make sure that it does all of the good work that it needs to do, so that it can really get into your hair and penetrate it with all of that goodness. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what this is. It's not a plastic cap, it's not a plastic bag. I don't know what it is, but it's what I've been using on my head for my treatments. So I left that on for half an hour. So then when I was done with that, I decided, you know, there's no point me staying in the shower at this point. Like, I'm just trying to get out. Then I went ahead and I rinsed it out, and I had to do like this over the bathtub kind of rinse thing, you know. But that was pretty good because it meant that I could use a colder setting on the water, which is better for your hair. Then I went ahead and I used the conditioner. So this is the honey roast mint. Honey roast? I'm clearly hungry. So this is the honey rose mint conditioner. It smells really good. It smells like buttermint. It does say that a co-wash is optional with this, but I already shampooed with the other item. I went ahead and applied this all through my hair. My hair was already detangled, so I didn't feel like I needed to detangle this. And I read that little slip that comes with the package again, and this also says to leave it on for half an hour. So I put the baggie back on. So let me just say, this is not going to be like a quick wash. It does say to leave both products on for half an hour each for optimal results. So this is going to take you over an hour. There's no two ways about it. And then I went ahead and rinsed that off. I applied my styling products. I scrunched out my hair using an old t-shirt, and then I plopped my hair to make sure that
I didn't disrupt it while it was drying or anything like that. And also I just don't really like my hair dripping all over me when it's wet, you know, so I decided to plop it. So what I do want to say about this is like, I'm just really happy that it's so natural. It's incredibly natural. There's absolutely no bad stuff in this at all. I'm just amazed by that fact. But what I will say is that it does take a long time. Like, this definitely would not be my weekly wash. You know, I can't always be taking over an hour to wash my hair, but I do feel like, you know, that tingling action on my scalp, we had the peppermint going on, and that is really good for your scalp. My scalp felt so invigorated, and I really feel like that is going to push my hair to grow, that tingling, stimulating action. So I do like this product. I'm also so amazed that they managed to get rice water to smell amazing. I'm pretty much happy with all of it. I do feel like it made my hair clean, but it did take half an hour to do that. I just know that it works in the end.
So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. Please thumbs it up if you liked it. Also, don't forget to join the Summer Squad, become a Sunbeam by hitting the subscribe button down below. Also, turn on your notifications so you don't miss my uploads, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!